Okay, children, so we will continue our story in this video. Okay, so let's continue. Staying in school. So let's see what's next. It says staying in school. Time passed and soon I completed class 5th. I knew that we would need to spend more in class 6th. My parents said that it was time for me to leave school, but I wanted to study more. I found a way to do this. I started to teach younger children. From the money that I got, I was able to continue my own studies. So, what Anita is telling us, children, as the time passed, Anita completed her class 5th. Now, now she will be coming in class 6th. Now she knew that more money should need to be spent in next class, that is class 6th, and now she realized that she needs more money in the next class, but her parents were very poor. They can't afford so much money to make her study. So her parents said her to leave the school because they can't afford so much money, because they have no money. So children, what she did to stay in school? Now we will see. Okay, she started to teach younger children. वो क्या छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाने लगी. And from the money she earned by teaching the another children, she became able to continue her own studies. So फिर उसके पास जो पैसे आते थे उसने उससे अपनी स्टडीज को कंटिन्यू किया. ओके, सो वन स्वीट मेमोरी. So children, this is how she completed his studies further. Now let's see what happened next. There is one sweet memory of Anita given here. She is sharing her sweet memory. Let's see. I remember some older boys in my village also used to teach young children. They did not like it when I started teaching. They started to scold and scare the children so that they would not come to me. For some time, all the children except two stopped coming to me. But soon they all came back because I used to teach them with love and care. So here's a very interesting story. Let's see. Mm, uh, so, uh, so some people are always ready to pull her back. So when Anita decided to make the children study to earn money, some of the older boys were jealous of Anita. They got jealous of Anita because those boys also used to teach the younger children. वो भी बच्चों को पढ़ाते थे और अनीता भी पढ़ाने लग गई. तो they didn't like that idea. So that boys didn't like the idea of Anita. And what they did, they decided to scold and scare the children. वो बच्चों को डराने लगे to make them stop going to Anita. So a time came when all of them left coming to Anita. But soon they returned back because she taught them with love and care. So because she used to teach them with love and care, all her children came back. So this is the sweet memory she shared with us. Now let's see what's next. Let us talk. Okay, there is one question. Let's do it. Do you know someone who wanted to study but could not do so? Okay, so yes, we see many children who wanted to study but they can't study because of their family conditions or financial issues, because they have no money. So class, we should help such children in every possible way. We can help them so that they can also complete their study, their goal. we can make them aware about Right to Education Act. Okay, that up to class 8 there is no need to pay fees and they can study freely without paying any fees. So next, every child has a right to free education up to class 8th. Do you think that all children are able to study up to class 8th? Discuss. No, because some people still have old thoughts and old thinking about girls, and they they used to stop them from studying. So some people still don't allow girls to study in school. So the answer is no. Okay, do you know what is RTE Act 2009? Yes, now we all know what is Right to Education Act 2009. This provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years. So, what RTE says that the education is for children aged 6 to 14 years is not only free, it is also compulsory education, because this is the basic education a person needs. So parents of such children have the duty to send their children to school. So let's see what Anita is saying next. Slowly I started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. My parents also started helping me in my work. My mother used to do all the housework so that I could get more time to study. So, children, as she was very determined towards her studies, she started talking to other parents in the village to send their daughter, and she became very inspiring in the village. So, then her parents noticed her dedication and they started helping her too. How her mother helped her. Her mother used to complete all the housework uh, that she could that Anita could get more time to study. Okay, now her parents is also helping her. So here is a secret which Anita is sharing with us. Let us read it. I learned how to ride a motorcycle. I did not tell anyone. I fell down and got hurt many times, but I was happy. Now, children, don't you think Anita is really a girl star? She had so many dreams and she tried every possible way to achieve them. Now, she even learned how to ride a motorcycle. So, she she fell down, she got hurt, but she was still happy. Everyone should be like Anita, children, and everyone should be more confident like her. Okay, so next, from school to beekeeping. There are how Anita learned beekeeping. Okay, so we will study here how Anita learned beekeeping. There are many lychee trees in our area. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. I thought that I could also do this. I joined a course run by the government to learn about this. I was the only girl in this course. During my training, I found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. Okay, children, underline this. Honeybees lay their eggs from the month of October to the month of December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. So, what happened, kids? The area where Anita lived, there were many lychee trees. Okay, and honeybees are really very attracted towards the lychee trees, towards the lychee flowers. as they are very sweet. Hmm. And honeybees roam around it. So, and many people do beekeeping there, and collect honey. So what Anita thought, that she will also collect honey from bees. So now she is going to start a business. Okay, so for that she joined a course which was started by a government, mm, to make people aware about this, that how to make honey from honeybees. Okay, so she joined that course, to learn how to make honey from honeybees. Okay, and how to do beekeeping. So so just notice this line, children. I was the only girl in the course. So at that time, people had that thoughts that girls can't do such thing. So that's why she was the only girl in that course. So what people thought, they people had differentiation between boys and girls. Okay, so what happened next? So she went to the training and learned honey bee keeping. Now she found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. Okay, remember this point. Honeybees lay their eggs from October to December, as this was the best time to start beekeeping. Okay, now here are two questions, children. Let's see what they say. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names and write. Yes, we have seen honeybees obviously, and we can write butterfly also. Hmm. Draw and color their pictures in the notebook. Okay, don't need to do this question in your notebook. Now, next. Why do you think they come to the flowers? Find out. As we have studied about nectar, so they came to the flowers to collect nectar, which they use to make honey. What is nectar, children? It is a sweet liquid that is present in flowers. So honeybees collect nectar from flowers, which they use to make honey. Okay, when honeybees fly, there is this kind of sound. Can you copy this sound? Yes, it's like zzz kind of sound. You can copy it, children. So this much is for today. We will continue our class on next Monday and we'll finish this chapter, Anita and the honeybees. Okay, thank you.